not in this way. I'm a dream that died by light of day. Gonna hold up half the sky and say, only I own me. And I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again. Alive again. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again. Said I can't go on, not in this way. I'm a dream that died by light of day. Gonna hold up half the sky and say, only I own me. And I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again. Alive again. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again. Said I can't go on, not in this way. I'm a dream that died by light of day. Gonna hold up half the sky and say, only I own me. And I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again. Alive again. Oh, you make me feel like I'm alive again. Turn your magic on, and then she'd say, everything you want's a dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds taking shape. We are diamonds taking shape. If we've only got this life, this adventure.
Little Hiccups is really important to me because the trips that we go on are so disability friendly. It's just so important to be accepted as part of the group.
The impact of Hiccups is kind of invaluable because as I say, we go places that we just wouldn't normally go, and we access resources that we just wouldn't normally access.
The friends that we've made there just seem to understand how difficult it can be, and it seems natural to just fit in without seeming like you're different.
The donations that people give don't just fund the running of Little Hiccups for us, they fund the memories and they give us a life.